Hey guys, what's up? It's Jeremy from Weldtec Designs, and you know that if you have a van, you want to run larger tires on it, but sometimes you have a sliding door like this one, and it gets stuck. It can't go all the way back because those giant meats that you put on your van won't allow your door to open anymore. Well, if you have a Nissan Envy, a 40 Econoline, or a Chevy Express, no big deal, because even with 35-inch tires, I'm able to open my door the whole way. And the way that I'm able to do that is by running this door slide extension from Weldtec Designs right there. No problem at all. I can run the bigger tires, get the clearance I need, and that is awesome because my door opens up all the way. If you'd like more information on this product, head over to our website. There's a link down below and order yours today.